You are about to see an AI tool that can generate slide decks, analyze spreadsheets, convert PDFs to web pages, and even design flashcards, all in one infinite canvas. Welcome to Kuse.AI. What if one AI tool can replace your ChatGPT, Notion, and even the data analyst work, and even a canvas? Sounds interesting, right? So today I am going to showcase 5 real world use cases where you can use this special AI tool, Kuse.AI, Kuse. I don't know if I am pronouncing this correctly, but let's directly dive into the demo. So let's type here Kuse.AI. Okay, this is the one. Let's directly log in. So I will use my Google to log in. I have already signed up for this, so I can do this. Okay, so now let's go to the fast use cases. So consider like you are writing a newsletter and you have some different documents. Let's say you have 2 PDFs, you have one finally YouTube video, and you don't want to go through all of those PDF documents and read everything and also go through the YouTube video and finally find out the points and all. So everything can be done by Kuse. Okay, let's see. We can start create a project. So what I can do now, I can upload files. Okay, so I have 2 PDF files. I can select them and just put here. Okay. Okay, so if we'll see now, let me just drag down. Yeah, so now this is the cool feature. So if you'll see, this is entirely like a canvas for you. So now if you see, I can like remove them, I can remove one also. So now I can make them small like this. Okay, so now my 2 PDF are there. So now what I will do, I will bring one YouTube basically video also there. So let me just minimize this little bit and let me bring my YouTube video also. So this is one YouTube video. So what I can do now, I can go there again and I can bring YouTube video, just put the link art. So now I have this video. So now I have all my content here. I don't want to do anything else. So now what I will do, I will just put a command here. Okay, so now I will put a command here. I have already written here. Okay, summarize into 150 words. So I want to write a newsletter, so I am putting this command. So before that, so what I have to do, I can select all these 3 because I want the Kuse to consider all the content from all of these 3. So what I can do, if you'll see, I have this magic pen, so I can select all these 3. So that means 3 has been selected. If you'll see, all 3. So now I'm putting this command, summarize this into a 150 word newsletter update with bullet points and a CTA to read. Now I will just click here. Now see what it is doing. So it's trying to summarize everything. If you'll see. Okay, so if you'll see, this is a 150 word newsletter. So if you'll see, AI blog and writing August highlights, it has given everything. So it has given a link also, like a CTA kind of thing. Okay, now I'll just want to go a little bit ahead. Like if I want to just download this, so here download, you can download as Word. This will be done. Now what you can do, you can, this will be a kind of a document which has been already created. Now you can use this as more word, like because I was giving is the 150 word. Now one more thing is, let's say you just want any one, like you just want to use this video. Okay, so you can play it here also. Now I will use this. Now this is video, summarize this video and create a poster. Okay, So it is summarizing that YouTube video only. Now this time I am just considering about that one video. Okay, so now if you will see, it will create, I will now create a visual structure poster using this. So it will now create. Okay, this is the one, automate newsletter summarize with relay. This is basically that video context. So this is, it has given a very good like diagram. You can just go ahead and download this as a PDF. It's so nice, that video. If you'll see, it has been created. I mean, some minimum basically layout issue is there, but you can fix that. Let's jump into second scenario. Let's say you have some data, like you have 2 or 3 Excel where you have a different data sets and you want to analyze. This is kind of a role of a data analyst where they have to create some report or anything. So now what I can do, new project. So what I can do, upload files. So I already have some files. Okay, revenue by region, monthly sign in, user retention. Okay, so I have the 3 CSV, so I have already provided them. So now what I will do, now I have selected everything. So now I will put, so I want to do this, analyze the data and create a report with some infographics, graphs, so that I can share the report with my business head. Okay, so now let's see. So it is analyzing all the data. Here is the plan to analyze. So it's writing basically what it needs to do. Okay, now it has created the report. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, let me just fast export, or you can open in a new tab also. Okay, this will be quite good. So business performance report, comprehensive analysis, executive summary. It has given a revenue performance analysis, quarterly revenue by region, Q1 Q2. Okay, like now you can see this is kind of report it has given. It is a web report kind of thing. Now user engagement metrics. Now the key strategy it has given, strategic recommendation, like how much time one person can take to create these reports. These are mind blowing. I don't know people have started using this or not. You should try this one. Okay, now I'll go to the next basically use cases where, let's say you are planning a course for all of your, let's say you have few students, or you are having a YouTube channel or something, and you are planning to plan a basically course for them. So what I can do, let's say you are launching a paid course also in AI related. So what we can do here, we can upload those PDF details and all, and it can come up with a very nice planning, like how you can basically give this course, how can you design this course. So what we will do basically, upload one file. Okay, so this is my yes, so this is my basically I have some like what modules I want to cover, like you see module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5 we have. So now what I want to do, I will just paste, create a structured course module roadmap and 10 flashcards for module 1. So now everything is here. So basically it is giving how it will proceed. Create the flashcards. Okay, so it is designed basically, if you will see here, this is the roadmap it has given basically for module 1, because you have asked for module 1 already. So introduction to AI course roadmap, what is artificial intelligence, define and keyword, what you will do on 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Then on same module it has given 10 flashcards, but I don't need in this way. This is just written the text one, but I need a specific basically graphical representation one. So now it is going to create that. Create a way the answer will come up after one click only. Question will display first. Redesign the flashcard again. Okay, so now if you'll see, yeah, this is now kind of, yeah, this is the one we wanted to do. What is artificial intelligence? If you'll click, is not it cool? Okay, same thing you can do. What is machine learning? What is deep learning? So these are kind of cool things when you will record a video or you are giving a live class to your student. This is a cool thing. Now you can like download them also, or you can even save them and you can use in the future. Let's say you have one YouTube videos of your product or something. Now you want to create some Instagram those post for that. So I'll do one thing. I have this video, Bevav's video, basically new project. Okay, so I'll put the YouTube videos here. Okay, now this is the YouTube videos. Create a 5-slide Instagram carousel summarizing this video. Okay, this video you can use a like kind of any blog, your blog also, like, or article also. Now I want to use this one. Okay, so now it has already decided what kind of slides it will generate. Now Instagram post also it has created. Okay, for carousel side, if you'll see, yeah, there are few like not cool things like this text and all, but I think, yeah, we can. These are 5 basically. AI goes free for all, Elon Musk unlocks grok feed. So it is given everything, but only thing is you can download this and post, but only thing is you have to basically format this little bit. Okay, we'll go to the last use cases where like you want to do some analysis, like deep analysis on some topics, and you want to come up finally like kind of research based work. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll create another space, we'll upload some document. Okay, okay, this is one document, AI tools blocks. Okay, now I will use these two as my 2 documents. Okay, here. Okay, add this video. Okay, so now I want to create a structured report on 2000 Gen.AI trends with keywords, reference and market chart, exported web page and PDF. Okay, so now it will basically analyze everything. Okay, so now it is created. So let me open in a new tab. Okay, so this is how it has been created, a web page, 2000 Gen.AI trends. Okay, executive summary. So key trends. Okay, multimodal AI integration, AI agent, everything highlighted. Gen.AI tools. So it has given different tools, which has top 7 kind of tools. Okay, then market analysis, it has been done, like investment landscape, market growth projection, then adoption pattern. Okay, now comprehensive landscape, where it has been used, future outlook, now from where it has been created. That, so this is kind of a very cool like features, I can say. You can use the main things what I like in this tool. I don't know if you guys have observed, this is kind of a whiteboard. Okay, you are doing everything. Okay, you have access to everything on your basically fingertip, and you can visualize everything already. Like, you know what is there. This has this tool list. You know, here I have a snippet. You know, your YouTube videos are here also. Now anytime you want to see, you can go back. Now this is kind of a very big canvas. You can use as many as things you want to put here, and you can basically every items or every parts of this can talk with each other. Like, you can join 1 or 4 and 2 and come up with a final output from there. I like this very much. So that's all. I just wanted to showcase you few use cases where you can use. But if anyone has already used this tool, just put your like honest comments, like your basically experience by using this. I want to learn from your use cases also. And yes, we'll come up with some different use cases for different tools of AI in coming days. So do like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.